Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. In this video we're going to be talking about this Anker USB Type-C to Lightning cable. This is their Power Line Series 2, and it's going to come with a pack of 3 feet, 6 feet, and 10 feet. So for those of us who want it, to keep our phones by our bed, or extend it to the couch or sofa, the 10 feet would be great. As you can see, the price is $38.99. With the promo code that I'll be providing, it's gonna minus $19. So you're looking at about $20 for a set of 3 cables. Okay, so Anker is a well-known brand with all this type, so you can trust Anker. And we're gonna take a look at some of the pictures. And it's stated right here, it supports power delivery. Okay, so if you have a brick, you can use it to charge your phone. And universal compatibility. So as you can see here, Lightning devices: iPhone 13 Pro, Pro Max, iPhone 13 Mini, iPhone 12 series, 11 Pro, and so on. Even the XR and even the AirPods, and USB-C devices, charger, portable charger, car charger, and MacBook Pro. And a reminder, as you can see right here, it only it's a USB Type-C charger, not USB Type-A charger. So keep that in mind. As you can see, the rating, it's 4.5 out of 5, and it has 182 ratings. Not bad at all. And here it's going to be a little bit more about the item itself right here. We're not going to go through every single one. I'll list it in the description part. So if you want to take a look at it, you're more than welcome to do so. And let's see, welcome. It says right here, it's a lifetime warranty, so which is great. Okay, and friendly customer service. Let's see what else. Hey, this is exactly what I was telling you guys. The 10 feet, it extends to the couch, and the 6 feet probably to the coffee table, and the 3 feet probably just from your workstations. It says right here, battery lifespan 12,000. Wow, that's excellent. Okay, so let's see what else. Okay, to get the $19 off, the promo code is Anker33024. I'll list that in the description part as well, so that way you guys can take advantage of it. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, ask me. Okay, leave it in the comment sections. Any advice, any suggestions. But other than that, if you like the videos, you like the savings, please give a thumbs up, and hopefully you can subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell notification so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first one to review it and take advantage of the promo. Other than that, it's late. Good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.